How to fix RDR2 not launching. So the very main troubleshooting step that you'll have to double check first before you launch the game is ensure that you are connected to your local area network connection, which is going to be your internet connection, and ensure that you have at least maximum signal amount of bars so that you will not encounter any not relaunching crashes or glitches from the application itself. Now, if you're using Steam to play RDR2 or Red Dead Redemption 2, all you have to do is to verify the game files. From Steam, just go into the RDR2 application directly and then just choose on Verify Game Files. Same goes with Epic Games. Now, once you've fully verified that, now the second method of doing it might get like a little bit weird, but just simply go into the Windows icon and then just simply open up OneDrive, leave it as it is while launching the application. It works 80%. Same goes with Epic Games. But if it's not, your last resort is to reinstall the RDR2 from Steam and from Epic Games as well. And those are the troubleshooting steps on how to fix RDR2 not launching.